Hola bafethu, I'm your host Ustosh. This is PSL Pulse bafethu. Premier Soccer League Pulse. Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Orlando Pirates emnyama ezigabakebhula 1. Mpesi outcome la uChillis. Chillis igame yafana go bona kanjani mfethu?
Bro ke leboa ke be ke le kamo Loftus Stadium. It's my home. I'm feel it. I'm here. Bro ka no lo wima ne se bonolo ne because re tlhakana le club in position number 3. Ontwara. Re mo position number 3. Level lantwe.
Kili. What does this mean in?
Dadeng. Imakaditse dadeng.
1 egg.
Kili.
Elani balenza.
Akitse ro mabakane ba iranka yona dadeng. Okay, arito le ali. Ntwe ke lelang ne for Orlando Pirates. I'm not happy today. I'm not happy. I'm a fan for Mamelodi Sundowns, but I'm not happy.
What happened?
For Orlando Pirates.
What happened?
Because you're going semi-final, but you didn't qualify group stage for Champions League.
But unfortunately, mfethu, apparently by the corner okwenzakalayo laphayana Orlando Pirates appeal. Mawubhekile izofaka kanjani?
No, coach. Ke blame a coach for Orlando Pirates.
Abdeslam Wadu.
Yeah.
Utsenchiche
attacking midfielder. You don't have the striker.
Yeah.
Yeah. Happen no, nah. Next time they be happy. Orlando Pirates is there. Stellenbosch is there. Kaizer Chiefs is there. Mamelodi Sundowns is there. Over no go be happy. Mara no. Because my father is going down.
Mamela Chillis sithi ngikubuze le mfowethu. Looking at igame yaFandag yeSundowns, there was no Tebogo Mokoena. How much did you guys miss him umrembula?
My bra ne ke tshuwile. Ke nyakile o ithutela. Ba re morambula a teng.
Tebza mrembula.
Ke nyakile o ithutela my bra.
Isigebengu.
Until no I ke feeling sharp because ke athathazela. Mara my coach Gatoso a bua ka ntho tse monate sentse ke mo lebohise ne ke nana re game ya ka tsheko re to loser because I don't have Tebogo Mokoena, I don't have Thapelo Morena, I don't have first lineup Renasi. You coming second half. You see the Orlando Pirates defense and the player, you don't have Mbata.
Is it
Kari no, ne ke re go fita.
Ama talent awafana.
Ka pala go fita. E be monate, wa itse Spedisiri o di rata di bua mokato.
Okay, what does this mean? You should see in diary.
Hiri, ho di bolela di feditse o tlala.
Hayi ungayibeki ngesigamba nje ngichazele yona.
Akona o tlala sekolo.
Hayi ungayibeki ngesigamba ngichazele nje.
Ke chabile ko sekolo.
You can't count the chicken before it hatch.
Ash.
Mapagania. Bafethu, this is your host Ustosh Bafethu. This is PSL Pulse. Ngakhohlwa ngihamba ngedwa ngihamba lesinganda mathe isiphalaphala bathi ulunga okathenje kwayo. Danko.